Hello friends, so today's lecture about demo lecture of PEB structure. Uh, Generally peoples and beginners, okay, generally beginner and some intermediate level uh, designer can do some mistakes while designing the PEB structures. Okay, so what that mistake and how to rectify that, I will give you some examples so you understand what is the importance of the loads and materials and design parameters. If you miscalculate that design parameter, then how these affect on your structure. Okay, these parameters I will teach you in these lectures. So this is demo lecture. If you want to know how to complete analysis and design the structures, so you can join my course. Okay, so let's start. So this is our PEB structure. In this I will means I will assign these properties. Okay, this taper sections. Okay, taper section and all of these. Okay, so this is taper section. If we press Ctrl 2, then this solid, you can see this taper section I will assign to the model. Okay, Control 0, so you can get line diagram. Okay, and this is parameters for our PEB structure. This is general parameter. I cannot provide all the parameter. I am generally give you some example how this parameter affect to the structure. Okay, so this is parameter I will assign to the these structures. Okay, this is ly parameters and lz parameters. Okay, so what to do, just after completing this PEB structure, what we do, we run the model. Okay, after run model, you get go to post processing. Okay, then after going to post processing, then you can get utilization ratio. In this utilization ratio, you see all the sections are passed is 0.94 to 0.94 to 974. Okay, all the section pass. Here not single section is failed. Okay, you click, you see this pass 0.97. So uh, why I'm telling about your means parameter is must are important. So here see this, if I am do wrongly, means if I am provide this wrongly parameter to the just of these columns. Okay, in this section I will provide 5.7, 5.6. Just I am changed to this to the column length. What is the column length of PEB structure is 7 meter. Okay, I will provide the 7 meter. Okay, just modify this. Okay, then if you modify what I do, I am giving this to the 7 meter. Okay, I am provide this 7 meter. Okay, now analyze the structure. Okay, if I am analyze the structure, what I get. Okay, go to post processing. So I get these members are filled. Okay, these column members are filled, and the utilization ratio of this column are increase. So this is this is point I will tell you. Okay, if you means this is just a demo lecture. This is demo, and this is only I will show you some, okay, some means if you change one part, okay, if you calculate miscalculate one means part, one effective length parameter, you change and you miscalculate that, then you can your column is fail. So if I am beginner, if I don't means carefully design the structure, and I will put here the value something like 5.6, 5, okay, 3, then my structure is passed, then I will provide I send to the other client, and because of an means software provide me section is passed, that nothing means your section is actually passed. You actually provide the correct parameter to your structure to get accurate result. Okay, what I if I am increase this length to the 9 meter, okay, what did happen, okay, for let's check. If I increase this ly, I am show you only for column parameters, okay. So going utilization, so then you can see all the column are fail, okay. What happen if I change the design parameter length of rafter also, okay. Okay, so here I am not LZ parameter, and okay, this is I will provide is 9 meter, okay. Then if I decrease this, okay, let's suppose 3 meter, then what happen, I will show you all the parameters what happen when column ly increased up to the 9 meter, and what happen if you decrease the column length. Then if you decrease the column ly, then this value is also decreases, okay. So this is the difference. If your support condition, you don't know about support condition, if you don't provide any if you miscalculate your column length, okay, so sometime you provide lesser value, okay, you get say your section is passed, because if your value is less, okay, according to design value, if your value are more as compared to your design value, something like what we get 5.6, 5.4, and you provide 9 meter, 7 meter, or okay, etc., then you can get your column is fail. So your calculation, parameter calculation, loading calculation are important if you want your structure is economical, okay. So this is my this is about demo lecture. I am trying to tell you about your calculation is not perfect, then your result is not perfect. I am in this in the lecture, okay, in the PEB lecture, I will teach you how to provide and how to calculate according to IS code, according to ASCE code, okay. Different code provide you different condition and different support conditions. So I will teach you everything about that points, okay. So if you want to join my lecture, PEB analysis design lectures, so feel free to contact me, okay. So meet you in our PEB lecture. Hope you enjoy the lecture.